Let us go through the MCQs of Module 1. First one of the basic desire of every human being is to be always dash. The right answer is happy. One of the basic desire of every human being is to be always happy. Second MCQ, with its right answer is, what is the most basic human aspiration? Answer is happiness. Happiness is the most basic human aspiration. Third MCQ, what are the basic human aspirations? Answer happens to be happiness and prosperity. Happiness and prosperity are the basic human aspirations. Fourth MCQ, the value of any unit in this existence is its dash in the larger order of which it is part. The answer is participation. Let us see the statement again. The value of any unit in this existence is its participation in the larger order of which it is part. Fifth one, value education deals with the below three. What is universally valuable to all of us? What is conducive to our individual and collective happiness? And what is enabling us to be in harmony with ourselves, others, and rest of the nature? So all the above three parameters are being dealt by value education. Sixth one, the need of value education is the following 3 points. The first one is correct identification of our aspiration. The second point is understanding universal human values to fulfill our aspirations in continuity. The third point is evaluation of our beliefs. So the need of value education is current identification of our aspiration, understanding universal human values to fulfill our aspirations in continuity, and the last one, evaluation of our beliefs. The next MCQ is, what are the guidelines of the value education? So the below three are the guidelines. The first one is universal in nature. Value education should be universal in nature, and it should be rational or logical, means more practical it should be. The third one is natural and verifiable. Okay, so these are the three things. These happen to be the guidelines for value education. 8th point, value education enables the below three. First, to understand our needs. It enables us to visualize our goals correctly. It indicates the direction for the fulfillment to achieve it. 9th question, technology is the only means to achieve what is considered valuable for humans. Remember, valuable for humans is the important through which we are using the technology to achieve what? Valuable for humans. 10th question, there is the need to supplement the below thing, that is technical education with value education. Technical education with value education is the supplement that is very much needed. 11th, the purpose of value education is to the following 2 points. First one, make the syllabus easy. Second one, develop values in individuals. So A and C are the right answer. 12th one, self-exploration uses mechanisms. First one is natural acceptance, and second one is, among the 4 options, the B option, that is experimental validation. So natural acceptance and experimental validations are the two mechanisms that are used by self-exploration. 13th one, harmony should be maintained in the below three cases: between body and life, between self and body, between self and society. 14th one, a harmonious world is created by values of the four levels. What are the four levels? First, me, that is individual, next family, then society, then the final nature or existence. Individual, me, my family, my surrounding society, and nature or existence are the four levels through which we are creating this harmonious world. 15th one. Many human values seem good or right due to the three parameters: positive feeling, internal happiness, natural acceptance. So, these are the three parameters through which we feel the human values are good or right. 16th. Which of the following is the positive value? Self-respect is the positive value. 17th. What are the basic human aspirations? A and B are the correct answers. The basic human aspirations are continuous happiness and continuous prosperity. And 18th. Universal human values means true at all time, all places, and all individuals. All the above three cases. So, human values means true at all places, true at all time, true at all individuals. 19th. The process of self-exploration help to improving the following three parameters: right understanding, happiness, and relationship. So, these three parameters are being improved by the process of self-exploration. If we go through self-exploration, we are getting the improvement of self-understanding, right understanding, happiness, relationship. 20th point. Happiness is the realization of both A and B, that is resolution and prosperity. Happiness is the realization of resolution and prosperity. 21. Today's education has less role to play in order to ensure harmony in the above three parameters. First one, individual, family, and society. Today's education has less role to play in order to ensure. Today's education means not value education, general education, skill-based education is having less role in individual, family, and society. Next question, 22nd. What is the content of self-exploration? Right answers are A and B. The self-exploration means I should understand what is I desire, what is the program to achieve the desire, what is my aspiration, and how I achieve that aspiration. Okay, 22nd. Now, 23rd. Self-exploration demands examination and validation. It should be verified, validated. So, it wants examination and validation for self-exploration. 24th. Two basic things in the content of self-explorations are to know my basic desires in life, and second is to know how to fulfill these desires. To know what are my wants, my aspirations, my basic desires. And the second part of that is how I achieve them, that is fulfill these desires. 25th. Natural acceptance and dash are two main processes. Natural acceptance and self-explorations are the two main processes of knowing, understanding. 26th. If something is dashed to us without any force or compulsion, then it is often correct and does not change with time and pupil. If something is naturally acceptable to us without any force or compulsion, then it is often correct and does not change with time and pupil. 27th. The characteristic of natural acceptance are the three parameters. First one, natural acceptance does not change with time and place. It does not depend on the place and our beliefs. The next one is, it is constant and same for all of us. 28. Most important conditions needed to make us happy is right understanding, right utilization, right guidance, right direction. Among this, we want right understanding. What is the example of materialistic desire? Money. Money is the example of materialistic desire. What is the example of non-materialistic desire? Is happiness. What are the basic requirements for fulfillment of human aspirations? The requirements are right understanding, good relationship, and physical facilities. So these are the basic requirements: right understanding, good relationship, and physical facilities are the basic requirements for fulfillment of human aspirations. Life motivated by only physical facility leads to animal consciousness. Is not human or child conscious or motivated conscious, it is animal conscious. Acquiring some physical facility than required, acquiring more physical facility than required leads to get only self-satisfaction. Acquiring more physical facility than required, it is going to give us self-satisfaction. 34. Value education inculcates dash in us. It inculcates, value education inculcates right understandings in us. 35th. Value education gives us proposal, self-motivation, self-discipline, self-verification, all the above. So it is going to give all these three things. Value education gives us proposal, self-motivation, self-discipline, self-verification. 36. Moral education makes us learn do's and don'ts. We are going to understand, we are going to learn do's and don'ts through moral education. 37th. Value education is universal, rational, verifiable. It is again repeated. So remember, value education is universal, acceptable by everyone. Rational means practical, logical, and verifiable. Okay, practically it should be verified. 38. Value education enables us to understand our aspiration, visualize our goals and direction of fulfilling life, remove our confusions and understandings. It gives the clarity. Value education gives us the clarity. It removes all the confusions and concerns. And it is going to give us the visualization of our clear goals. And it gives the direction for fulfilling life. And it enables us to understand our aspiration. What we want, we are going to understand the things very clearly. 39th. The subject which enables us to learn the skills is called skill development. 40th. Which of the following is the basic aspiration? It is, which of the following is our basic aspiration? Expect to be continuously happy and prosperous is our basic aspiration. Continuous happy and prosperity. 41st. Life motivated by only physical facility leads to animal consciousness. Okay, we have repeated it. 42nd. Which is on the top order of priority for human consciousness? Physical facility and relationship with right understanding is in the top order of priority for human consciousness. Physical facility and relationship with the right understanding. 43rd. Having physical facility with right understanding leads to mutual prosperity. 44th. Having relationship with right understanding leads to mutual happiness. What is that? Having relationship with right understanding leads to mutual happiness. Holistic development includes harmony in the human being, harmony in the family and society, harmony in the nature or existence. The 4 levels. Human being means individual, then family, then society, the last one, 4th one, nature or existence. 46th. Which of the following is the feelings in relationship? Trust and respect is the feelings in relationship. Relationship needs trust and respect. 47. Which of the following is physical facility? Okay, justice is not physical facility. Trust, respect are not physical. The physical facility are food, shelter, clothes. 48. Which of the following is not characteristic of natural acceptance? It is corrupted by assumption. Okay, it is corrupted. Natural acceptance is corrupted by assumptions, wrong beliefs. 49. Prosperity means feeling of having more than required physical facility. Whatever the physical facilities we are having, we should feel that I am having much more than needed. The last 50th one is self-exploration is seeing beyond your senses. Self-exploration, what we see, what we smell, beyond that, beyond our senses, what we see is the self-exploration. So you repeat all these things again. I am going to ask in module 1 few of the questions out of these 50. Hope you have understood. Keep on reading it several